Hello everyone, welcome back to ICT class. Today we are going to learn about using the mouse. In last class what we saw about using the keyboard, right? So today we are going to learn how to use mouse. Okay, so what is a mouse? Mouse is an input device which is used to point the things that is there in your computer screen. Okay, and with the help of mouse we can play games, we can draw, and all these things can be done with the help of mouse, right? So what are the buttons that are available in mouse? We have left button, we have right button, and we have a scroll wheel. Okay, so this scroll wheel is used to move your page up and down. So by scrolling this you can move your page up and down. Okay, so this is a wireless mouse. We have wired mouse which is connected to our CPU box. Okay, but this is the wireless mouse. Okay, and this is the left mouse button. So by clicking it we call them as single click. So if you click 2 times, 2, so this is called double click. Okay, so if you want to select something, then we place the cursor to that position and we will do single click. So if you want to do some operation at the time, we place the cursor to that position and we use double click. Okay, so this is the difference between single click and double click. So other than this, we have other operation also like dragging. So for dragging, you need to click your left mouse button and you need to hold it and you just drag it. So this is called dragging and dropping. Okay, dropping means after you drag at certain time you will release this button, right? So that is called dropping. Okay, so this dragging and dropping is also used to select the objects that is there appearing on your computer screen. So the next operation that we are going to see is a right click. So right click means we have a right button, right? So clicking this button is called right click. This is the way we are holding mouse. Okay, so your palm should cover on the top position and this finger, that is your pointing finger, should press this left button and your middle finger should press this right button. Okay, and for scrolling this also you can use this forefinger. Okay, so this is the way we hold our mouse and this is the way we use our mouse. So always use your mouse on mouse pad. Okay, so the last topic that we are going to see is taking care of your mouse. So you should always protect your mouse from dust, heat. Okay, so not only mouse, all your computer equipments need to be protected from dust and heat as it. So you should not use it with wet hand and you should handle it carefully. You should not pull the wires of the mouse. So all these things that you should not do while using your mouse. Okay, so always use your mouse with clean hand. Okay, and you should not pull the wire of the mouse. Okay, and always use your mouse on mouse pad. I hope using the mouse chapter is clear to you all. So how we can use the mouse? You need to use your mouse gently. So what are the operations that we saw? We saw about single click, double click, right click, and we saw how to drag drop things that is there on your screen. Okay, so dragging and dropping is also used to select the things that are there in your computer screen. So let us move on to the book back exercise that we have. So the first one is fill in the blanks. To move an object on the screen, we drag and drop. Okay, so we drag and drop it. Okay, so you need to write that. To select an item, we single click it. Okay, to show a list of commands, we right click. When we quickly click the mouse twice, we double click. Okay, so you need to write this. Write T for true and F for false. A mouse has 3 buttons. False. Mouse has 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel. Okay. The scroll wheel helps in moving a page up and down. So scroll wheel helps in moving page up and down. Yeah, that is true. So you need to mark it as T. A single click of the mouse sends a command to the computer. Yeah, that is false. So single click of the mouse is not sending any command to the computer. It just selects an item. So you need to write false there. Okay. There are 3 mouse actions: single click, right click, double click. Actually there are 4 mouse actions: single click, right click, double click, drag and drop. So that is false. The mouse control the movement of the pointer on the monitor. So that is true. Okay. Write any 2 things you should do to take care of your mouse. So the 2 things that you need to do to take care of your mouse is that protect the mouse from dirt and water, don't drop the mouse. So any 2 points you can write, okay. I hope it is clear to you all. And next we will see match the correct mouse action, okay. So the first one is single click, and the second one is, second picture shows right click, and the third picture shows drag and drop, and the last picture shows double click, okay. So you need to match it accordingly. So, and you have at page number 53, you have a fun time activity for you. So, you need to label the picture of the mouse. So, here they have given a mouse picture and you need to label the parts of the mouse, okay. So, this is a homework for you guys, you need to do this at home. I hope using the mouse chapter is clear to you all. Kindly go through your text and we will see you in the next class.